To view these steps on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, there's a few things that you can try to actually see your steps. First thing is to add it to your watch face, and I've made a dedicated video on how to add the steps icon to your watch face, so you can do that if you like. You can check that video. And next thing that you can do is swipe to the right like this, which will show you your health if you haven't edited your tiles. So here, if you click on the second button, you can see the steps. Now if you cannot find this icon, all you have to do is go back and then move all the way to the right, click on add tiles, and then select the health, or actually activity, and daily activity, which will show you your steps right here. So now if we actually go back, here it is. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.